Here are 5 categories of antiques and vintage that are anticipated to hold or increase in value in 2025. But always remember, there are no guarantees when investing in any commodity. Mid-century modern furniture. Mid-century modern continues to be popular due to its timeless design and high-quality craftsmanship. Look out for pieces by designers like Eames, Saarinen, and Noguchi. Art Deco Jewelry. Art Deco jewelry is known for its bold geometric designs and high-quality gemstones. The unique aesthetic appeals to collectors. Look out for jewelry from the 1920s and 1930s featuring platinum, diamonds, and colorful gemstones. Vintage watches. The market for vintage watches remains robust, with iconic models from brands like Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Omega often appreciating in value. Asian antiques. Worldwide, there is a growing interest in Asian art and antiques, particularly Chinese porcelain and genuine Japanese swords. But steer clear of the tourist pieces produced in the millions. Vintage vinyl records. The resurgence of vinyl records as a music format has led to increased demand for rare and collectible albums. To begin with, look out for first pressings of albums by artists such as the Beatles, Bob Dylan, and Pink Floyd. Before you invest any money in antiques and vintage, it's crucial to seek professional investment advice. Research each item thoroughly, authenticate its provenance, and consider current market trends. Working with reputable dealers and auction houses can also help ensure you make a wise investment.